Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be looking at how we can create some cool text in Canva. I really love how I can play around with text in Kittle but always feel restricted in Canva. But that is about to change with this app called Typecraft. So let's dive in. Now go into a Canva workspace. On your left panel, find the apps and then search for Typecraft if it is not already visible. Now the interface is pretty self-explanatory. You will need to type your word, choose the font, the color, and then play around with the shape. The text is bound by some transform points, and all you have to do is visualize what you need and then drag, squeeze, or adjust the controls as you seem fit. You will be making some fun shapes in no time. You can make your text shape pointy or as curved as you need. Here I'll be showing you some of the things I did, and you can see how the shape of the text changes as you move around the transform bound points. After you are done, all you need is to put this on your workspace. You can simply press add element to design button and it will appear on your workspace. It will be saved as an image. You can still make changes by going back to the interface. However, you will not be able to apply any text effects or color changes like you normally do to a text. Every change will have to be made within the interface and saved again. You simply have to select this text and then click on the edit button. It will bring you back to the interface. You can even reset the shape if you're not happy and then start over again. Now explore and enjoy. It is an awesome app. I still believe Kittle is far superior compared to Canva in these kind of things. But for those who are already invested in Canva and would not like another subscription, Typecraft is a great relief. Please subscribe to my channel so that I can bring you more content. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.